Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a fundamental word, bread. It's an A1 level noun, and it means a baked food made from flour. You'll hear it every day. Bread is something many of us eat regularly, like with sandwiches or toast. Some synonyms for bread include loaf, as in, I bought a loaf of bread at the bakery, and roll, as in she ate a small roll with her soup. Now, for antonyms, it is a bit tricky because bread is a specific food. It does not have a direct opposite. But let's think about things that are not baked or made from flour. We could say salad, as in instead of bread, she chose a salad, or soup, as in he had soup instead of bread with his meal. In everyday life, you might hear phrases like break bread with someone, which means sharing a meal, or saying the best thing since sliced bread, which means something great and new. Some example phrases are, I would like a slice of bread, please. We make our own bread at home. Or, she baked a whole wheat bread. Today we talked about bread, which is a basic food made from baked flour. We explored some synonyms like loaf and roll, and considered some contrasting ideas such as salad and soup. Thank you for listening to Hello Word today. If you liked this episode, please subscribe and leave us a review. Your support helps other people discover the show. We encourage you all to create your own sentence about bread and share it in the comments below.